Hi foodies, are you team spaghetti or pasta twist? Well, I'm team spaghetti until recently when I noticed spaghetti is rich in protein and contains fiber. Meanwhile, pasta twist also contains fiber and also rich in protein. But guess what? No cholesterol. Wow. So this is what you guys have been enjoying. Now so them use no cholesterol drag me into pasta twist too, and I love it because it's so filling, tasty and versatile. And trust me, I've been experimenting with so many fun recipes. But today, I'm sharing the ones I love the most with you. So let's dive into it. Go ahead and slice your fresh tomatoes like this. Don't bother to blend it. The leaves in the video is called saint leaves. It is optional if you don't have it. Then I just added a few pieces of scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper for the heat. And with just few pulse, I got a roughly blend pepper and saint leaves. If you want to try this recipe, make sure all your peppers are rough blend. This panla fish price still shocks me every time I enter the market because how did one of Nigeria's cheapest fishes suddenly turn into luxury? Anyway, you won't catch me wasting money on those tiny ones though. I'd rather go for the big size and get real value for my money. Now let's go ahead and fry these luxuries to build more flavor. Please don't let the frying take too long. We don't want the fish to dry out. About 5 to 10 minutes is perfect, just enough for the fish to release its flavor into the oil. Now saute your hot oil with garlic or onions, whichever you prefer. I'm using both because why not? Next, add your roughly blended pepper mix and give it a good stir. Then follow up with freshly sliced tomatoes. Just look at that sauce, it's pure beauty. Tomato paste can never give you this kind of freshness. Now, season up with curry, thyme, a little nutmeg, seasoning powder and salt. Mix all that goodness together until the aroma fills your kitchen. At this point, bring in your proteins. I've got some fried meat and tilapia on hand, plus extra onions for that rich flavor. These are the proteins I'll be serving with this pasta for my family. And trust me, it's going to be so delicious. Before we continue cooking, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified the next time I post a video. It is easy to overlook this simple act of just touching our phone screen to like and subscribe, but it means a lot to me. This simple act serves as motivation for me to do more cooking videos for you. Thank you. I let my tilapia soak up all that goodness in the pot before taking it out. You can use Titus or any fish of choice. Just be sure to cook it in the sauce first so it can infuse its flavor into it. Then take it out before adding your pasta. After adding your water, be sure to taste it so you know what's missing. It could be seasoning or just a little salt. But before that, drop in some bay leaves for that rich aroma. I ended up adding a bit more salt to bring out the full flavor of the other ingredients. Cook this on a low heat and avoid adding too much water, just enough to sit nicely on top of the pasta. The beauty of pasta twist is how quickly it softens with just one steam. Next, I add in some of the fried panla fish from earlier and give it a generous stir so that all that goodness spreads evenly. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes, but here is my trick. After 7 minutes, when it's almost done, open the pot and toss in some carrots. The ones I use cost just about 500 naira, and trust me, carrots are a must-have in pasta. Finally, I garnish with fresh spring onions that cost me just 300 naira. These are simple and affordable vegetables that are not only healthy and boost flavor, but they also make your meal look and taste like it came straight from a fancy restaurant. Our pasta twist is ready! Now grab your plate, let me give you some more to taste. I know you're already salivating. Or better still, get your own pack of pasta twist and try out this delicious recipe yourself. Personally, I love my pasta wet with a little sauce still dripping. That's the best way to enjoy it. This is Toyin Cooks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes. A like and comment from you can mean the world to me and keeps me motivated to create even more delicious videos just for you. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!